What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. So this was another recommended stock that somebody put in the comment box below that I break down. You guys can do the same thing. If you want me to break down a stock, just put it below and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so that way I can make more content for you guys every single day and every single morning. So right now we're breaking down UAVS, or I don't know if I'm going to be able to pronounce this properly, but it's AGEAGLE, I believe. But I'll explain to you how I found these lines and graphs, you guys. And right now we're starting from a higher time frame so we can see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. We don't want to start from a smaller time frame because basically we'll be trading in a vacuum or ultimately trading blind. So let's go ahead and dive into where we're at and how I found these lines. So this top line represents the highest point that's been tested by resistance. And we can test this by looking left. We have a candlestick that came up, got rejected, ultimately pulling to where we're at right now. We look left, we have these 3 or 4 candlesticks hitting in this area. We have a couple more. And then on the opposite side, working as our highest level tested for support is over here. We have this engulfing candlestick. And we have, I believe, that's really it. This one we can count, but it's on the opposite side. It's on the resistance side. So, and then we have these 3 hitting on the resistance side. And then down here is our lowest level tested currently for support. We look left, we have this candlestick, and then ultimately these 2 over here and this one over here, one on the opposite side working as resistance. And then if you look to where we're at right now, you guys, we're down about 0.20%. We're at $5. The market's been open for about 2 hours. But if you look to where this candlestick represents today and where we're at today, and if we zoom in, where are we at, you guys? We are below our resistance line. So what does that mean? So that means this candlestick's hitting right into major resistance, and ultimately you wouldn't want to be getting into something until we have a clear direction that we're in an uptrend. So right now would be not a good idea to buy until we can break above this major resistance line, or our major resistance line, and to come up and come back down and test our support for further confirmation that buyers are stepping up. But as of right now, we don't see that, and getting right now would be basically just having FOMO, the fear of missing out. And right now you're not really missing out on anything. I want to look at the volume real quick and see how the volume is. Okay, almost 3 million. That's not bad. You guys want to keep the volume at least above 150,000, that being the lowest, because you don't want to be stuck in a stock that's not moving, you guys. So you want to have as much volume as you can in each stock that you're in. But like I said, as of right now, wait till we get a more clear direction. On the RSI, it does show that we are oversold, but at the same time, that doesn't mean that we can't keep going lower. That doesn't mean we can pull back to this red line, which I put here. So to represent the last level of major support, which is all the way down here at the $2 level, and we can clearly look left and see how this has been riding against this area for quite a bit, and we can go back farther in time to back test even more, but we don't need to with the amount of candlesticks hitting in this area. So like I said, just wait for a more clear direction. You don't want to get in right now and then this end up getting rejected at this resistance line and then pulling back down even farther, like another $3. So no point of bag holding when we can see clearly that this is in a clear downtrend. So we want to wait till we see that we are in a clear uptrend, or at least break this resistance line and to come back down and retest this level to prove that buyers are stepping up. So like I said, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the way I break down these charts, put some down below and I will break it down in the following morning and I'll add it to the list. But don't do so without hitting that like and subscribe button, you guys. And other than that, you guys have a happy day and happy trading.